Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use templates in CapCut on PC. Templates make video editing faster by giving you ready-made effects and transitions. We will walk you through how to find and use a template for your project. On your CapCut project, simply click on Templates. Here, you will find all your available templates. You will see a variety of templates to choose from. Just pick the one you like. Once you have chosen one, go ahead and click on it. As you can see, it is now downloading. Once it is ready, it will appear here. Now, all we need to do is replace the placeholder content with our own photos. Go to your pictures and swap this one out. Then replace the next slot with another photo. Swap it with this one. And we are done. Let's play the video to see how it looks. Looking great. When you are happy with the result, just export it to share on social media or send it as a message. And that's all there is to it. We have successfully used a template in CapCut on PC. Now we can create stylish and engaging videos much faster.